Two returns can move in opposite directions and still be exactly the same distance from the center. That distance is what absolute deviation measures. Suppose the chosen center of 5 daily returns is 3.6%, and one of the returns is 1%. First, calculate the signed deviation. 1 minus 3.6 equals negative 2.6 percentage points. The negative sign tells us that the return is below the center. But sometimes we do not care about direction. We only want to know how far away the value is. So take the absolute value. Negative 2.6 becomes positive 2.6. The absolute deviation is therefore 2.6 percentage points. The formula is simple. Absolute deviation equals the absolute value of the observation minus the chosen center. That center could be the mean, the median, or another reference value, as long as it is clearly defined. Absolute deviation also keeps the original unit. Dollars remain dollars, while percentage returns produce a distance measured in percentage points. And remember, this describes only one observation. Averaging the absolute deviations of many observations produces a different measure called mean absolute deviation. Signed deviation answers, above or below. Absolute deviation answers, how far. It measures distance, not the cause of the movement, and not what happens next. Next, mean absolute deviation averages these distances across a group. Continue at thefintechbuilder.com.